10. Finite Differences. This is a part of Unit 2, Linear Relations Introduction. Calculating the finite differences. Finite differences show the change in the dependent variable, or the second column in a table of values. For example, to find the finite first differences in the table of values below, you subtract consecutive values of the dependent variable to show the changes in that variable. And we put it into a column which we call first difference. Important. We're often looking for patterns in the first differences. To find a pattern in finite differences, or any differences, the values in the first column of your table must change by a constant amount. The first column of our table is x. Each time we go down the column, we go up by 1. From 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. There has to be a constant change in that column to determine that there is a pattern in the first or any differences. Let's see how we go ahead and actually calculate first differences. Calculating the first differences. To do this, take the second value for y, that's the 3, and subtract the first value for y, the 1. We're going to put this value into the adjacent column under our first difference between those two numbers. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And we continue so on and so forth with 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And we continue this until we fill up our column. The values in the third column are called the finite differences. Let's summarize our observations. We had our column here, our table of values, and our first differences column. We could say when the value of x increases by 1, the value of y increases by